In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a new voice control customized commands in iPhone. Alright, so I'm starting right here on my iPhone, and the first thing I'm doing is opening up the settings app. I tap on that gear icon, give it a moment to load, and once I'm inside, I'm looking through the list of options on the screen. From here I scroll down until I see accessibility, and once I find it I tap on it to go inside. Now I'm in the accessibility menu, and I continue scrolling until I spot voice control. When I see it, I tap on voice control, and that takes me into the section where all the related settings are managed. Alright, now that I'm here, I tap on commands. This opens up the list of available commands, and from here I tap on create new command to start setting one up. Now I'm on the screen where I can define the phrase, so I type in the phrase that I want the iPhone to recognize when I speak it. Once that's entered, I move on and choose an action. I tap to select the action I want the command to perform, and after that, if there's an option to choose an application, I select the app I want it linked to. I just follow through those selections until everything is set the way I want. Now I tap save in the top right corner, and that stores the command immediately. I usually pause here for a second just to make sure everything looks right before moving on. After that, I back out through the menus step by step, heading back toward the main screens. And that's really the whole process. Anytime you want to create another one, just open settings, go into accessibility, tap voice control, open commands, and repeat the same flow. And that's all there is to it. Yeah, you've now created a custom voice control command on your iPhone, and once you've gone through it once, it becomes quick and easy to set up more whenever you need.